Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of high-quality cookware with the All-Clad HA1 hard anodized non-stick fry pan set. This versatile 3-piece set includes 8, 10, and 12-inch frying pans, each designed with a heavy-gauge aluminum and stainless steel base to ensure even heat distribution for perfect cooking results every time. The high-quality PTFE non-stick coating offers long-lasting performance, making cooking and cleanup a breeze, while the sleek design and stainless steel handles add a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Whether you're searing, sautéing, or frying, these pans are oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and induction compatible, with glass lids that can withstand up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, making them perfect for a variety of cooking methods. Plus, they're dishwasher safe for easy maintenance, though hand washing is recommended to preserve the non-stick surface. Remember to use silicone, nylon, or wooden utensils to maintain the efficacy of the non-stick coating. Upgrade your cooking experience with this durable and stylish cookware set that combines everyday convenience with high-quality performance. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.